Following tried and true safety procedures for electrical work around the home is the best way to prevent electrical shock. Start with these tips. Before getting started, turn off the power in your home's breaker box. Next, check the wiring or devices with a non-contact voltage tester to confirm the power is off. Always use an insulated fiberglass ladder for electrical work, never aluminum. Avoid wet areas when working around electricity. Keep your hands dry and wear rubber boots and gloves. And plug power tools and appliances into a ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI outlet or GFCI extension cord. If you're working on the service panel or a circuit, place a warning label on the face of the panel to warn others not to turn on any circuits. Before turning the power back on, make sure no one else is in contact with the circuit. While most people think of electricity in terms of voltage, the most dangerous aspect of electrical shock is actually the amperage. Voltage is a measure of the pressure that allows electrons to flow, while amperage is a measure of the volume of electrons. Think of pressure and volume in terms of a river. A rapidly flowing river with a tiny amount of water wouldn't be very dangerous, but a river with a lot of water flowing slowly could be life-threatening. So even when doing minor repairs, it's always best to stay safe and remove as much risk as possible.